How to create a poll on Facebook in 2 ways. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how we can create polls on Facebook using 2 different methods. So let's just get started without any delay. First of all, we open up the Facebook app, and once we have opened it up, we can go to a group. So tap on the menu option in the top left. Just go ahead and tap on the top left menu. And once we have selected it, we can select the option of group here and select up your group here. From here, you can just go and select up your group. And once we have selected up this group, we can tap on the option called write something and we can start creating up a post. So from this section, we can look out for the option called poll, tap on it. And once tapped on it here, we can type in a question and add multiple answer questions. You can also customize the settings available here. So all we gotta do is type a question here. And then we can add option number 1, option number 2, even more option. We have, I think, 4. So you can go max and go ahead and type in your questions. You can even add a picture as an option. And we have the settings available that we can edit out. And once you're done, you can tap on the done option at the top and other people will be able to answer. You can just go and do so. Group members will be able to vote and interact with your question. This is one of the methods. Apart from that, we can create poll on Facebook page. So Facebook sometimes limits poll features on pages. So here's the updated way. You can go to your page, switch it up. And once you're headed to your page, we can tap on the option called create a post or what's on your mind. And there also we can just go over and select the option of adding polls. So here, if there's an option of adding a poll, you can add it from the section as well. You can add it with questions and options. You can add up your questions and options and tap on the done or post option in the top right. Usually it should be available here, but that's it. And that's it. Group polls get more engagement than pages. You can keep your options very simple and ask clear, fun, or relatable questions. So that's how we can create polls on Facebook in 2 different ways. So give this video a like and then subscribe for more.